Importing data from a text file. Now let us try importing data from a text file. We will be using an already created database called importsample.accdb to import data from the address.txt. In order to import the text data, firstly, click the External tab. Then, click on the Text button on the Import group. Access 2007 opens the Get External Data text file dialog box. Key in the following in the file name: d://egizmos/address.txt after clearing the already available contents. Let the default radio button be selected. Click the OK button to launch the Import Text wizard. Let the default radio button be selected as our text file and that has tab as the delimiter. Click the Next button to continue. Let the default tab radio button be selected. Click the checkbox. The first row contains field names. Click Next to go to the next step. As you move from field to field, the data type box displays the data type that the wizard chooses for each field based on the data it finds in the first few rows. You can change the data type to a new one if required by clicking on the Data Type drop-down. Click the Next button to continue. On this screen, you can designate a field as the primary key of the new table. If you want, you can tell the wizard to build an ID field for you that uses the auto-number data type. But it so happens that this sample text file already has a numeric ID field that we'll attempt to use as the primary key by clicking the Choose My Own Primary Key radio button and selecting Employee ID from the drop-down. Click Next to go to the final page of the wizard, where you can change the name of your new table. Click Finish on the last page to import your data. Access opens a dialog box that indicates the result of the import procedure. If the procedure is successful, the new table will have the name you entered in the last step. If the wizard encounters an error that prevents any data from being imported, it creates an Import Errors table in your database, with the name of the text file in the title, and this contains a record for each error. Click the Close button to close the wizard. Now you should be seeing a new Addresses table added to the navigation pane. You might have noticed that an error table has been created. The text file was created deliberately with few error records so that you know how the error records are stored.